Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below as well. Hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call. Change your whole perspective on the market, full of lots of value, lots of gems. Just go ahead and take a look at it, guys. Share with you guys exactly which crypto could potentially produce millionaires, guys. Even if it's not a millionaire, depending on how much you put in, you could make thousands of dollars, hundreds of thousands, tens of thousands, or just a few thousand. All is more than what you had, and it's better to have a little small portion of your overall wealth invested in cryptocurrency in some of these plays rather than having none at all. Because what's happening with the American dollar is crashing. China, Kenya, all these surrounding countries, they're now combining with their armies and also with their financial assets and trying to come up with one world currency. So what's happening and taking place is they pushing the American dollar out, and it's just going to be digital currency, more control, more power. They know exactly where all the money is going. They could just shut down the money supply anytime, shut down your cars at any time. We're having these cars, the EV on these grids. It's a lot that's happening, but don't want to get too much off track. Let's circle back, get right back to what exactly you should be investing in, guys. As we know, I still got my Terra Luna Classic. I still got my Shiba Inu. But Dogecoin, it's something different about Dogecoin, guys. Something special about Dogecoin. Dogecoin has a great community behind it that's been behind it for years now. Also, Elon Musk, one of the most influential people on the planet Earth right now, definitely is, I used to like Elon, but I do believe Elon is, the devil at the same time. Like, he part of the Antichrist. I know some of you guys ain't with all that, don't want to hear it, but I'm going to share my thoughts. I'm going to share my truth. I'm going to speak whatever it is. If you don't agree with some of the stuff I say, cool. We shouldn't agree with everything 100% of what nobody says. So, we can still get along. We still could be cool whether you agree with me or not. But anyways, Elon cool overall, but I do believe he the devil, like I say. But anyways, enough about that. Let's get to what we're talking about and see what's going on. As we noticed, Dogecoin shot up out of nowhere on yesterday, up over 30%, guys. Dogecoin skyrocketed 30% as Twitter changes the logo to Doge meme on web. So that's definitely little hints, little signs. You never know, guys. Subliminals. You definitely don't want to take it lightly. Like I told you guys way back then, with Doge and She, when everybody's laughing, taking things as a joke, that's when I'm peeping. I'm trying to take it a little bit more serious. Like, oh, y'all laughing and playing. That's usually when that becomes the biggest thing. Just like Bitcoin, for instance, in 2010, everybody laughing, took it as a joke, internet money. And look what Bitcoin at now today, from 5 cents all the way up to $60,000+ per coin from 5 pennies. And now still trading, hovering around 30,000. That's insane, guys. If I don't know what it is, that's insane. But if we go ahead and take a further look, whether or not a change in social networking site Twitter logos to Doge meme from the popular bluebird bodied bolded whale with its users, it was certainly. Dang, I messed it all up, guys. Whether or not a change in social networking site Twitter's logo to Doge meme from the popular bluebird welled with its users, it certainly did for the crypto Dogecoin, as its value zoomed as much as 30%. Doge image is well known as the logo of Dogecoin cryptocurrency, created as a joke by software engineers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer in 2013 to make fun of the wild speculation in cryptocurrencies at the time. The home button to the top left of Twitter web browsers used to have the Bluebird logo, but overnight it was replaced with a cartoon of Shiba Inu, the face of Doge, of the Doge meme. So guys, this is definitely big for the Doge community. I'm pretty sure, it's going to be more, news, catalysts, different events that take place that's going to help push up Doge as well as the whole crypto marketplace, guys. You should be getting Bitcoin. Like I say, that's the gold. Your Ethereum is your silver. And Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Terra Luna Classic is your money. That's what you would be willing to spend whenever. That's the only thing I'd be willing to spend as things shift. And that's the only thing these companies are going to be able to sell is those type of currencies. I wouldn't spend my Bitcoin. I wouldn't spend my Ethereum. Only thing I would spend is the shit coins. So you already know, guys, but you definitely want to hold on to them and really don't be spending none at all. So you already know what to do, though. You definitely want to be on the lookout for Doge. And I mean,